in today's session, we are going to discuss CFT for octahedral complexes. Now, we are going to write electronic configuration with respect to T2G and EG for D1 to D10 system. So, you have to make these four columns. In first column, we will write system. So, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, D8, D9 and D10. Okay. So this will be table for strong field ligand. We will make two tables. One is for strong field ligand, another is for weak field ligand. Okay. Or you can simply say strong ligand and weak ligand. Okay. Now D1 to D10. Similarly for weak ligand also D1 to D10. D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, D8, D9 and D10. Okay. Now, if your system will be D1, what will be the electronic configuration with respect to T2G and EG? Okay. Now you know that in case of strong ligand, first I will write splitting of d orbital. You know that in octahedral complexes, splitting is like T2G and EG. T2G lies at bottom, EG lies at upper side. Okay. In case of strong ligand, the energy gap between these two, that is between T2G and EG, is more. Energy gap between T2G and EG is more, so that fourth electron is doing pairing here instead of going into EG. But in case of weak ligand, energy gap is very less. So this fourth electron directly goes into EG. Now, D1 system means number of electron in the D is 1. So this first electron will enter into T2G. So configuration will be T2G 1, EG 0, 0. Number of unpaired electron is 1. Okay. Now, in case of D2, D2 means in the d orbital 2 electrons are there. So this is first electron, this will be second electron. Electronic configuration in the T2G 2 electrons, in the EG 0 electrons. Number of unpaired electrons 2. Okay. Now for D3 system means in the d orbital 3 electrons are there. First, second, this will be third. In the T2G 3 electrons, in the EG 0 electrons. Okay. Now, number of unpaired electrons 1, 2, 3. This N is nothing but number of unpaired electrons. Now, D4 system. D4 means in the d orbital 4 electrons are there. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now this 3 electrons are there. Fourth electron we have to write. You know that this is strong ligand. So in case of strong ligand, electron pair up. So fourth electron will do pairing with this first electron. Okay. The reason this fourth electron is being paired with first electron is the energy gap between these two orbitals lower energy orbital T2G, higher energy orbital EG. The energy gap is more, so the fourth electron cannot enter in the EG. This fourth electron does not have sufficient energy to enter into EG. So that's why this fourth electron is being pairing with this first electron. Okay. Or simply you can say we are writing this table for strong ligand. You know that in case of strong ligand, electron pair up. So 1, 2, 3, 4th electron will do pairing. So in the T2G, there are 4 electrons. In the EG, 0 electrons are there. Now how many unpaired electrons are there? Unpaired means what? Unpaired means like this. And paired electron means it will be like this. This is unpaired electron, this is paired electron. Now see how many unpaired electrons are there? Only 2. So n is equal to 2. Now for D5 system, in the d orbital, 5 electrons are there. 1, 2, 3. In case of strong ligand, electron pair up. So 4th electron will do pairing here and 5th electron will do pairing here. So in the T2G, there are 5 electrons. In the EG, 0 electrons. How many unpaired electrons? Only 1. So unpaired electron is equal to 1. For D6 system, what is D6 system? D6 means number of unpaired electrons are, number of electrons in the D are 6. 1, 2, 3, strong ligand, so electron will pair up, 4th electron will pair up, 5th electron will also pair up, and 6th electron will also pair up. So in the T2G, 6 electrons are there, in the EG, 0 electrons are there. Now number of unpaired electrons. Unpaired means like this, and this means paired. So unpaired electrons are 0. Okay. Now D7 system. 1, 2, 3. Strong ligand means electron will pair up. So 4, 5, 6, and then 7th electron will enter into EG. So in the D2G, 6 electrons are there, and in the EG, 1 electron is there. Number of unpaired electrons? Only 1. Okay. Now, for D8 system, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is here, and this will be 8. So in the T2G, 6, in the EG, 2. Number of unpaired electrons? Also 2. Okay. Now D9 system. 1, 2, 3. You know that strong ligand means electron will pair up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up to 6 it will be here. 7, 8. This will be 9. So in the T2G 6, in the EG 3. Number of unpaired electron is 1. Now D10. So 10th electron will enter here. T2G 6, EG 4. Number of unpaired electrons 0. So this will be the electronic configuration in terms of T2G and EG for D1 to D10 system in case of strong ligand. Again I will explain you this. See how the electron enters. You know that lower energy orbital is T2G and higher energy orbital is EG. If only 1 electron is there, means the D1 system is there, it will be here. 2, D2 for D3. Now D4. D4 means 4 electrons. In case of strong ligand, electron pair up. So 4th electron will pair up here. So for D4 it will be like this. For D5 it will be like this. For D6 it will be like this. For D7 it will be like this. D8, D9 and D10. Understood? Okay. Now we will write electronic configuration for D1 to D10 system, octahedral complex, but for weak ligand. Okay. Now D1 system means only one electron is there. So one electron means it will enter into D2G. So electronic configuration will be D2G 1 which is 0 0. Number of unpaired electron is 1. For D2, second electron will be here because first we will fill unpaired electrons, then pairing starts. So D2 means second electron will be here. D2G 2 EG will be 0 0. Number of unpaired electrons 2. D3, third electron will enter here, so it will be D3. D2G 3 and EG 0 0. Number of unpaired electrons 3. Now D4, fourth electron, either it will do pairing or this fourth electron will enter into EG. In case of weak ligand, electron cannot pair up. In case of weak ligand, electron cannot pair up. Electron cannot pair up, it means that fourth electron will enter here. So D2G 3 EG 1. Number of unpaired electrons 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Now for D5 system, fifth electron, it will enter here. So it will be D2G 3 and EG 2. Number of unpaired electrons 5. D6 system. Now sixth electron, we have first filled all the unpaired electrons. Now sixth electron, it will do pairing. The question is, it will do pairing here or here. Sixth electron will do pairing with the electrons of lower energy orbital first. Then it will enter into higher energy orbital. Okay. So sixth electron will be here. In the D2G, how many electrons are there? 4. And in the EG, 2. Number of unpaired electrons are 4. D6 system, D7 system. So 7th electron will do pairing here. D2G 5, EG2, unpaired electrons 3. Now D8 system means 8th electron. This 8th electron will enter here. D2G 6, EG2, unpaired electrons 2. D9, 9th electron, it will enter here. So D2G 6, EG3, unpaired electron is only 1. The last one is D10 means 10th electron. So 10th electron will enter here. D2G 6, EG4, unpaired electrons 0 0. Now you can see what is the similarity, what is the difference in case of strong ligand and weak ligand. Okay. Now for D1, in case of strong ligand, D2G1, EG0, number of unpaired electron is 1. And here also D2G1, EG0, number of unpaired electron is 1. So it is same. For D2 also it is same. For D3, again it is same. For D4, there is a difference. See, in case of D4, 4 and 0, and here 3 and 1. Okay. Now, in case of D1 to D3, number of unpaired electrons are also same. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here, number of unpaired electrons 2. Here, number of unpaired electrons 4. So for D4, it is different. For D5 also, it is different. 5, 0, 3, 2. For D6, 6, 0, 4, 2. Different. For D7, 6, 1. And here it is 5, 2. For D8, 6, 2. For D8, 6, 2. Same. Number of unpaired electrons also same. Now D9, 6, 3. There also 6, 3. D10 6 4, there also 6 4. 1 2 1 0. Number of unpaired electrons for D8 2, same. D9 1 and D10 0. Okay, so there is a difference only in case of D4 to D7. There is a difference only in case of D4 to D7. For remaining systems, configuration is same, number of unpaired electrons are also same. It means that for D1, D2, D3, then D8, D9 and D10. For these systems, electronic configuration and number of unpaired electrons are same. So, if in exam question will come on CFT of octahedral complex, find out the number of unpaired electrons. You need not to draw whole CFT diagram, just you have to draw this table, and if the question will be asked, what will be the difference in strong ligand and weak ligand. So there is a difference in case of D4 to D7 system.